Hi guys, here Veronica from the studio, the Queen of Novelty Cake, and today we're gonna do a nice tutorial, a masterclass actually. So it will be about buttercream. Of course, this is the buttercream month, so we actually getting through every single week something about buttercream, a decoration about buttercream. So what we trying to do today is 2 tiers cake. We're gonna start with the base color, which is the buttercream without any color in. And then we're gonna add flowers. So today we're gonna use a different technique, so I hope you stay till the end and you learn something new. Okay, so see you in a few seconds. I will prepare everything for you. Okay, see you. Okay, another tip for you guys. So this is the one that we just did it now, and as you can see, it's pretty soft. You know, the buttercream is kind of coming off already, and it's really soft. It's really soft. So in this case, we need to put it in the fridge about 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes, and it will be a little bit more solid, and so we'll be able to use the buttercream. So this one is been in the fridge about 15 minutes, and if you can see, the consistency is definitely different, and the reason is because obviously they are not too hot anymore. It's not that room temperature. Okay guys, we are here now. We have a 2 tiers cake. One is 6-inch cakes and the other one is 4-inch cakes. As you can see, they are pretty tall, but if you new one in bakery and you haven't done this technique, I would recommend you to do not too tall cakes, and it will be much easier for you to handle it basically, and it will look much better. Eventually, when you got when you feel more confident, you just go high and as high you want. well guys, I would like to show you. Now we apply a couple ones. It's really important that when you have the pipe like that, you're gonna actually push the buttercream down, and then you're gonna twist till it's tight. Okay, so to apply, you need to, I'm gonna move this that way. You need to position your hands where you want the flour. Yes, and when they touch the cake, you're gonna press and then let go. Okay, when you let go is when you actually make the flour. But wouldn't happen if the buttercream, they are not in the right temperature. The other thing is really important that you prepare the recipe that I did. Otherwise it will be too soft for you to use. So this is the tips that you need to follow through. So make sure you actually check in the description below, in the box description, all the information, the links, so you can actually get this right. Okay, I would like to show you something. So here you can see, just let me put the camera closer, then my flour, it didn't actually come off like it should be. And the reason for it is obviously, like I said, is the temperature. So my hands warm the buttercream, and that's why it's coming in that way. So make sure when that start happening, you remove this with a spatula or any knife, the buttercream from that, and you put the back in the fridge for about 10 minutes, because it's not much there, so about 10 minutes max will be enough. Okay. So if you decided that you wanted to add more flowers, you just go for it and add like I will do. Okay guys, we finished. I finished my cake, the 2-tier cake bouquet. I hope you enjoy the tutorial, the masterclass, and I'm expecting you to do this. Try. It's so much fun, and just make sure you follow through the techniques that you need to do. I will leave in the description below, in the box description, a lot of links there, and you will be find my Facebook page, Instagram, and Twitter, so you can start following me as well, and my website of course. And then I will leave other links, then you can actually click and learn how to do the buttercream and how to apply the buttercream inside to the piping bag. So thank you for watching. Don't go far away, stay close, subscribe to my channel so you will see I will download every week new tutorials. So this month is all about buttercream. We're going to do different techniques about buttercream, and you will definitely learn a lot. So stay there, stay close, stay safe, and we'll see you soon.